everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the comparison between Obsidian Notion and Remnote, so make sure to watch the video until the very end. So let's talk about Obsidian. Obsidian is a powerful note-taking and knowledgeable management tool that uses a local-first approach, meaning your notes are stored on your device. It's for markdown, backlinks, and graph viewing, making it ideal for users who want a wiki-style personal knowledge base. It works great for the researchers, writers, and students who need deep linking between the nodes. However, it lacks collaboration features and built-in cloud sync, which might be a downside for team projects. Now, moving on, the Notion. Notion is an all-in-one workspace that combines notes, database, and project management. It offers sleek interface with customizable templates, make it great for task management, collaboration, and organization information. Unlike Obsidian, Notion is cloud-based, meaning you can access your notes from anywhere, but it also means you need an internet connection for full functionality. The biggest downside is that it can feel overwhelming for the beginners, but due to its many features, let's talk about the Remnote. Remnote is designed specifically for student researchers and those who need advanced space repetition for learning. It combines note-taking with the flashcard, making it ideal for the people who want to retain information long term. It's for markdown, backlinks, and structured notes, but its UI is not as polished as Notion, and the learning curve can be steep. So that's basically the main difference between Obsidian, Notion, and the Remnote, which will help in choosing the right one for you. And that's it.